Welcome to the best natural bodybuilding channel. Let's go.
Welcome back, Fresh Fits. This is your boy Alex. Today's question of the day is how to progressively overload for continuous muscle growth. Guys, this is simple. It is simple, but a lot of people, you need to take your ego out of this shit, man. I'm gonna tell you that right now. A lot of us, yes, you might see somebody on the bench, they're doing 225 and you at 135 and you're trying to get there. So you slap on a quarter and you only do 2 reps. That's not progressively overloading. Progressive overload is you might add 2.5 pounds to your 135, right? And boom, you're at 8 to 10 reps. You might progressively overload by adding those 2.5 pounds and being able to do that 8 to 10 reps. That's progressive overload. Or let's just say you're at 225, right? And you're only doing it for 10 reps. The next time you do bench, you want to try to get to 11 to 12 reps. Gradually, you're increasing your rep range. Gradually, you're increasing the weight, okay? It takes time. It's not something that's just gonna happen overnight. Every time you get into the gym, you wanna increase your rep range and you wanna add weight, okay? Contract and squeeze the muscle on each rep. That's gonna help you progressively overload properly, right? And that's gonna get you stronger, it's gonna get you bigger. Remember, diet is everything too. So as you progressively overload, you might want to increase calories. You're going to get bigger and your body needs to adapt to that. So you want to get stronger and bigger at the same time. That's how you're going to do it, progressively overload. And you're going to continue doing that, okay? And there's sometimes you will hit a plateau and that's fine. But when you hit a plateau, you could still build muscle with a plateau. Now, what you can do is you can shock your body, the shocking method, okay? So now what you can do is you can start off light, work to your highest set, right? To where it's a struggle, where you're only banging out 6 reps. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna drop set, a pyramid. You're working your way up and you're coming down. You're gonna drop set, you're gonna start taking weights off. So you're gonna do a set, take weights off, do a set, take weights off, until you get down to the lowest weight, which is the bar. And you're gonna rep that for as many reps as you can, focusing on squeezing the muscle as much as you can. And I'm telling you, you're still gonna build a dope physique. And that's how you progressively overload. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, subscribe, and please leave a comment, because a comment is what motivates me to make dope videos like this. I appreciate you guys. Let's build this community to 100K subscribers. Let me know what you're doing, man. Let me know what you ate today. What was your fitness journey? You know, what your workout looked like. Let me know if you was able to do the progressive overload, or you do pyramid sets, or what your split looks like. If you get this community to 100K. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.